Hey guys, congratulations for receiving your Celebrity Smiles Club whitening kit from your dental office or Medi Spa. My name is Debbie Bitke. I'm the founder and CEO of Celebrity Smiles Club. I'm also a clinical dental hygienist, and I have been providing teeth whitening to dental offices around the world since about 2010. And during the pandemic, I revamped the technology and everything that you received in your kit. In fact, in 2023, we upgraded the little pouch. Instead of having a big box and a huge user guide, everything is compact, something that you don't throw away, hopefully. And you should have received a user guide with a QR code, and that's why you're here right now. This is your user guide, and I wanted you to scan the QR code so I can tell you more about your teeth whitening, and I can share some tips and tricks with you. Today, I want to make sure that you subscribe and save these videos. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up and 5-star review. I don't know where else you can go and get the same teeth whitening that you just bought today. So we've got this little case here where you can store everything. You've got your user guide already, and that's why you're here. You have a little shade guide, and I want you to use that shade guide. I want you to establish a goal of where you want to be and look at where you are today on that shade guide. You have a little USB port, and you also have a mouthpiece that should come like this. So these are the things that you will receive inside of here, along with one whitening pen. In the next videos, I will show you how to use your whitening pen, how to best use your shade guide, and also tips and tricks about whitening your teeth. Feel free to look at the other video testimonials. As I said previously, before 2023, we had a box and we had a big user guide, and everybody threw it out. So that's why you see the little pouch and a little tiny user guide with a QR code for a lot more information. So be sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any of the other videos. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to watch the other videos. I'm making them just for you. See you on the other side. Bye for now.